When it comes to barbecue, to me, I think about texture and I think about smoky flavor. It's got to have those two things for sure. I'm going to show you how to make my spice rub brisket right at home. The spice rub is really key because it's going to impart flavor, but it's also going to help to create a crust on the outside. And that's when you get that contrast of texture. Barbecue experts call that the bark. We're going to start with a good amount of paprika. I like to use ancho chili powder, brown mustard seeds. Then we have some dried herbs, like some dried oregano, some celery seed. Then we have some garlic powder, coriander, and then salt and pepper. I rub it into the brisket. I put it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. And about an hour before I'm going to smoke it, I take it out of the refrigerator and let it get room temperature. We're using our really cool green ceramic cooker. We have some hardwood charcoal in there. I'm gonna put some pecan wood chips in there. And we're gonna cook this at like 225 degrees. Here's my favorite thing about smoking brisket. You do a little work in the beginning, and then you kind of put it on the smoker, and then you forget about it. Go do the rest of your day's chores, go hang out, go play a round of golf. You come back. This brisket's been in here for like, just over 4 hours. It's about 165 degrees. This is the part where we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna wrap our brisket in the tin foil, wrap it up really well so we can insulate all the heat and the smoke that's in there. 4 hours to go. It's gonna be great though, I promise. Oh, it's like so tender. It's unbelievable. I mean, look at that, right in. Incredible. Take this out. Oh, that is just beautiful. Takes your breath away. It's so beautiful. It smells so amazing. Look how moist that is. Look at that. I know it takes a long time, but man, is it worth it. It's barbecue heaven.
I can have a slice, right, Bobby? Oof.